Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau. In this video, I'll share with you how to use the Microsoft Excel to analyze your income statement in Shopee. Okay, so first, if I downloaded this Excel sheet, right? So how do you get the download the Excel sheet, right? You can go to the your Shopee seller and go to the My Income. Okay, and then you can click on the release sessions, and here you can choose the week for the within this way month, the past month, or you can select a date range. Okay, so let's say you want to start from first specified to 30, which is this month, right? Or you can choose that maybe we'll go for the first until the last 2 months. Right, it's the last 3 months, so you can have this. So once you finish this, you go to this area here and click on this export button and wait for it to release. Then you can click the download. Then when you click download, you can get it, open the Excel file, and you should get something like this. Okay, so here it tells you that um, who has buy this, right? This is a username, and these are the order ID. So, and then here, if you have an order ID, what you can do is that you can go to this and select this order ID, go here and check, right? So my order, so you can go to my order, you can search for the order, pick this up, and you can see that there's an order ID right there. Click on it, and this is the order. So you can basically check that, click on the check details, and go to this payment informations. Okay, so you can see there's a merchandising of subtotal and the fee and charge, right? What is the fee and charge? 3 ringgit and 39. What is that? So you can get it from your at a glance, right? All the things, right? So there is a transaction fee that is charged by the Shopee. So okay, 156. So you receive I received 156 by selling two bottle of this sharply sustained release. Okay, so that's 156, and then minus that 3.39, I got 152 cents. So it is written there, right there. There you are, right. So there's a shipping fee that is included. So I have 156. So shipping fee paid by the buyer is this. So it's paid by me, yeah. And then so and then this 4 ringgit and 3 cents is paid by Shopee to the logistic company, which is Ninja Van. Okay, so thank you Ninja Van for doing a great job. Okay, it's delivering that goods. So that's it. Now let's come back to Excel, right? So you see the sheet here. There's a value here, and on top there is a 2, 2, 3, 4, right? What does mean 2, 3, 4 is basically it's not just suddenly have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It's not. It's because that the Shopee has a system that calculate the total of this below. But what if you want to redo it? You can, right? You just want to check whether is it the system get it right, or you just want to learn how to do that again, right? You can use the sum function, then open parenthesis, and select this cell here, and go to the very last row, or you can come here and then press Ctrl Shift down key up to the last one. Now I only have 2 rows. If you have a thousand rows, it will be very handy for you. Now again, I show you again, yeah. You can select this cell here and then Ctrl Shift down, right, and then enter, and that is the value of 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Now it doesn't work that way. G5, G7 to G8, right? It doesn't allow you to do that because this value here now is stored as text. How do I know that's a text file? Because it aligns to the right. So how do you turn this into numbers? I come back to you on this. Yeah, so at the moment, you can either highlight this thing, click on this, and change the convert to numbers, right? You can get this done. Okay, but there's another way also. But no problem, right? Let's just like Let me just do another one here. So you can highlight this list and go here, click on this, convert to number. Okay, so that's the number. So now you can use the it's again to 6 cents, right? You can use the sum function, do the same, right? Again, um, you type the sum function, click on this, and then Control Shift down, right? Select up to the last one, and close parentheses, enter. So that is 8 ringgit and so on, right? So now uh, our store. So there's a shipping fee. There's also the shipping fee bye bye. So that is the same. So this amount the same. So very good. And then here we have the service fee. Just the transactions. This is charged by Shopee. So this is the amount that we have. So let's say it's 228.87. Sorry. So Shopee says I will return you 228. You originally have 234. You collected uh you get from the seller 234, and then you minus all this transaction fee, you came to 228. So what is the total payout? What's the total charge? One is charged by for the gift to the logistic for delivery my goods. The other is the using the platform Shopee. So there is a fee for 5 ringgit and so on, right, for the past 3 months. So altogether, these are the fee, right? The total is again, you need to get add this up together. So I want to change this number here. And I just select this item or convert to number then. Okay, so now I have the including this one also, right? Click on this, convert to number, and I just want to take this value plus this value, so it's 13. So if I use this 13 plus the this one plus this one, we got 215. Oh yeah, that is because we got plus, right? So I should say 242. Let's see, yeah. So we have these two value. One is your logistic, the other is your shopping. Oh yeah, that's because there is a amount they pay. So in between is supposed to be just a value of here. Yeah, 234. Yeah, 234. So Shopee only charge you to 5 ringgit because uh yeah, we charge this fee, but there is a 4 ringgit something is also charged by, this is a cost by the buyer. So the product is at 156, and there's a shipping fee of 4 ringgit and 23 cents. So it's actually the buyer pay this amount and this amount together. So it's 160, and this one is I think this two is 82. Okay, so that is the total fee paid by the buyer. Okay, so I hope you learn some basic skill on how to analyze your income statement, right? Yeah, you got this thing, and you have the what I call that uh, fees already there, but there is no. Oh yeah, you have an order, you have to pay out, but I think there's some. So there's an order ID refund, but yeah, no, there's no product ID, yeah. So you don't know is the what is product to sell most, right? What's 156? Something worth to explore more. Yeah, I don't see any. There's a payout date. Okay, you can also double click here to change that completed date payout. All right. Uh, anyway, let's talk about this thing also. Next one. So there's a 228 supposed to be payout, right? So let's come back to the my seller page. So go back here and look for uh, my balance. Okay, again, you key in the password. So, all right, no, not that one. Okay, let's do again. Click verify, right? So, now there is a at first there's a amount that to withdraw. So let's go to the here. You see 228.87. So if you look at the income statement, is exactly the same. Okay, this is a way to look at it. If you want to be double, make sure how to do that. Whoa, look at that! I just noticed that is another push tab. No, there's no push. Oh, there is a beautiful summary sheet. Right, it's generated by Shopee. So original product code, there's no voucher, yeah, shipping fee, like I said, that fee paid by the buyer. So this is a summary. It's always good that you have a summary of it. The thing is that I still need to look at what, based on this income, I want to know which product sell most, right? So at the moment, the only way to, not the only way that I know is that I need to go to my order here. Maybe I have also another option that I check on it. No, oh yeah, maybe there is. So click on this button here. So there is another orders to look at, analyze the order. Okay, I don't have this data because is this like even longer than that, right? Let me just choose that first until June. Okay, let's just export again. Okay, so I'll talk about this in the next video then. Thank you very much. Yes, I hope that you learn something about how to use Excel in Shopee. Thank you.